Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create smooth slow motion video with AI feature on InShot application. Okay, here I have opened my InShot application on my phone, and I'm just going to open my draft first so we can tap on the video. And this is my draft, so I'm going to open it and just wait for a moment guys. Okay, and if you want to create smooth slow motion video on InShot, the first thing you're going to do is clicking on the speed option, then just select the speed that you want to apply to your video, and I'm going to make it slower. I'm gonna go with the speed, then we can click on smooth. Okay, and to start the process, we can click on this check mark button. Then you're going to wait until 100%. So this is the AI feature guys. This AI feature will help you to make your video smoother. Okay, and now it's done. Now the smooth slow motion effect has been applied to this video. And now let's just take a look at the result. I'm going to play the video. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create smooth slow motion video with AI feature on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.